Alright, we were making it out. Came here to see if there was any good spots to take pictures and didn't really find anything. So going onwards now, but wanted to talk to you guys about some different stuff going on. The biggest thing that you're going to notice at first is the stock handlebars and risers are back on. Essentially, all the bushings that I've tried in here, the factory ones for this setup, wasn't firm enough, and then I found out there was OEM more firm ones for the ape hangers. Tried those, that's what's in here currently, but I tried them with the risers and unfortunately they still weren't firm enough. I need to get aluminum ones. Currently Burch is on his way down to meet me for us to do a little ride. He's coming down to get some Red Bulls for Nina. He is also bringing me some factory Rebel bushings that he doesn't have a use for anymore. I'm going to see if those will match up to the size and specs that I need for these. And then there is a company that makes aluminum replacements for those because I cannot find any aluminum replacements for the Triumph bobber ones. So I'm going to see if those will fit. Hopefully they do. If not, I will have to get aluminum ones actually custom made to get that set up back on my bike. Sinks that I had to take them back off because I really like them, but obviously rather be safe than anything else, so that's why these are back on for the foreseeable future. Other than that, I have decided to order a few parts. They are on the way, super excited. Those should be here in the next few days, and then we'll have install videos for you guys. We'll have reviews, thoughts on it, as well as then having comparisons and getting to redo another one of my videos that I've done, which I'm pretty excited to essentially do a remake of it. But other than that, I have put my stock shifter peg back on because I want to see if this smoothens out some of the shifting, because every so often it kind of feels a little clunky, but I don't know if that's just because the other one is fully CNC'd, so there's no give with the rubber. And also seeing a lot of the Thornton 100 bikes and different bikes that are really, I don't know, modified, they still leave the stock ones on, so I feel like there has to be something with that, some reason. Also, if we're just wearing Vans, this is gonna be a lot more comfortable for long days out, down to Point Lookout and back. Could definitely kind of feel the knuckle in my foot being sore by the time we got back, but essentially I just want to make this bike reliable, ready to go all the time, and I do plan on putting some pretty hefty trips, at least pretty hefty to me, this summer, so this should help and make it more comfortable for that endeavor. But other than that, basically just meeting up with Burch. I don't know what we're gonna do. He's basically just coming down to hit a milestone on his motorcycle, and then he's gonna head back home because he has a trip planned. So I'm more or less just gonna ride with him. Hopefully we can find somewhere to stop and take some pictures and take the back roads, and let's jump to meeting up with him.
kill me?
I was gonna say, do you want to take a picture back here?
I'm down here.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, if you want like a picture of you on your bike. Give me some of that since we're parking ways.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Awesome. So this has been a completely unexpected and fantastic time out with Burch. Of course, I knew it was gonna be a good time, but I didn't expect to come here to this spot in general, but I got to take pictures of him, practice, as well as had him learn in like 5 minutes. Why is it raining now? But not only that, but have him learn how to use the camera in like 5 minutes and get some pictures of me. So that was super nice. I don't know, just one of those days for the soul. But let's see if I can jump out here. Farm for table? I don't know, that's my guess. I figured it would be farm to table, but anyhow, if you guys liked today's little get out and chit chat and everything, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below. Subscribe, and let's see where we go next.